Hello there everyone, my name is Paulo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, Bitcoin is absolutely crashing right now. And this is an emergency video, an absolutely emergency broadcast, because this is a video you cannot afford to miss, because simply Bitcoin is the crash is out of proportions. Look at how much of a drop there is in such a short period of time. I mean, seriously, this is what you guys sound like when I receive messages on Twitter, on Instagram, in my email saying, Thomas, Bitcoin is crashing. What should we do? Is this the end? Is this the fucking apocalypse? Guys, please learn to zoom out. What I was just showing you here in the chart is a 5-minute time frame. And yes, we're seeing some kind of a correction right now and with some volume. But please, for once, learn to use a 4-hour chart. If you use a 4-hour chart, you will see that we had a small fake out from here trying to break above. And actually, if you're going to go to 1-hour chart, which is what I mentioned in my previous video, it's going to be linked somewhere up here, check it out. And I said that we need to see a breakout with some volume. And certainly, I mean, we had some tiny bit of volume. But if you're going to take a look at this volume, at this potential breakout from this whole wedge formation, this flag formation in general, then you will quickly notice that this volume right here is actually substantially smaller than the regular volume of even this whole inside of this pattern. So therefore, the whole breakout, it's not very trustable here. But does it really mean that it's, you know, the end of it and we are crashing down below? Well, we are still above major support. This is the very important purple support that we have. Also very important green support, which is coming from the daily chart. I believe this is the order block. This is a very important part. Certainly the volume currently steadily going down and the price is slowing down, and that's normal. When we see, you know, huge pumps, like we're saying right now, anywhere from $16,000 all the way to $24,000, it's like almost a 50% pump. It cannot be in one straight line. It has to come with some kinds of swings of up and down. And certainly that's why we cannot expect it to just, I mean, that's why some kind of a retest of 21K is normal, etc. So that's absolutely fine. Please relax. If you're not going to be a relaxed trader, you're not going to be able to make any money, because you're going to be jumping in and out and in and out. It's not going to work. So that's why I decided to make this video. There wasn't really, I mean, that much to talk about, but you guys were going crazy. So that's why I decided to make this video and just put this bullshit to the end. And therefore also, since I'm making this video, I'm going to also do an update on my altcoin portfolio, the altcoins that I personally believe in that are going to perform really well in the next top move. So that's something you really want to watch. And guys and girls, quick reminder, if you want to see all of my personal trades and the trades of my team, go down into the description of this video. There is a link to my free Discord channel where we post all of our trades. Not every trade is a profit, but it's a very genuine, open community with real traders, with real trades, with real money being at stake. So if you want to see some professional trading, then really go inside, join us. There is a very simple instruction of how to join the VIP section. So, and enjoy. Lastly, before we move on to me talking about the altcoins, let me quickly give you an overview as to what the price is waiting for. For certainly, we're starting to lose momentum. Yes. So if we're gonna take the momentum I'm talking about, despite the volume, you know, this explosion, and right now we're just and we're slowing down. So we could even go lower and do something. But for how long? And the answer is very simple. For 2 days, 6 hours and 51 minutes. And this is going to be the interest rate decision on the February the 1st at 2 p.m. Eastern time, which is basically coming in on Wednesday. And right now we're actually pricing in a 25 basis point rate hike. And certainly let me know in the comments if you want me to do a live stream of the FOMC meeting and everything that the Powell is going to be saying, because we really want to see if they're going to reaffirm their hawkishness or they're going to actually finally be a bit dovish, which is going to actually allow potentially for the Bitcoin price to rally. So right now, until then, unless I'm taking some smaller trades, all of which are going to be posted in our Discord channel, and we're certainly going to put in the trades over on Bybit. And if you use my link down in the description, you can claim up to 30,000 initial deposit bonuses, only if you're going to use my link. So we will certainly, and most likely, we will put in some smaller, small time frame trades, some scalp trades, but I wouldn't expect huge moves until the actual decision on the interest rate, because it's coming up very soon. It's getting very, very close. So therefore, this is what you guys should be expecting on Wednesday. And this is going to be a huge catalyst. And again, let me know in the comments if I should do a live stream or not. And now let's get to the topic of the actual coins that I'm personally holding in my portfolio and the coins that I personally believe in. And as you know, that I'm into diversification, so I don't put all money in XRP or all money in Bitcoin, or all money in Ethereum, or I'm not a Cardano maxi or Shiba maxi or whatever. So what I do, what I personally believe in, and what has made me a lot of money in the past, when I've put together a portfolio in the previous cycle, it made me 2,000% profit. And I've invested in many things, like more than 10 different altcoins. And right now, I'm actually diversifying even more. DeFi, also metaverses, also traditional coins, etc. So many things I'm investing in, different sectors, different segments, different types of coins, different types of utilities behind those coins, and different risk factors, etc. So certainly, I mean, it goes without saying that the biggest part of my portfolio is Ethereum and Bitcoin. And again, Ethereum and Bitcoin right now, it's like 50-50, a bit more Bitcoin than Ethereum, but nonetheless. So when it comes to other alts, let's just quickly go through the whole list. And this list is not in a chronological order of the amount of money I'm holding in there, because some of them have more, in some of the coins I've invested more, in some less. So it really depends on the coin, but let me give you an overall list of the coins that I actually have in my portfolio. Number one, we'll go through this list right here like this. First thing is being Toncoin. Then certainly I have, oh, that's wrong. So Toncoin, certainly Polygon. I mean, you can Google all the developments Polygon has been doing, an incredible project. Binance Coin, despite all the FUD, still the biggest and the strongest in terms of being the exchange. So a lot of utility for Binance Coin. Next thing, Cosmos Atom has performed really well in the previous cycle and also in this cycle. And I think that this coin is gonna, not financial advice, but I believe that this coin has got a lot of potential. Also Chainlink, also a very powerful one, still gonna be holding, still gonna be accumulating. Next thing, GLMR, also Near Protocol needs no introduction. Same thing, Polkadot needs no introduction. XRP more of a fun one, quite frankly. Let me know in the comments if you are from XRP or me. I'm not a hater of XRP, I'm not a fan of XRP. I'm simply betting on the fact that there is a bigger probability right now of XRP and Ripple actually winning the lawsuit against the SEC, hence my investment in XRP. So I'm going to keep you guys updated about this. Therefore, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also comment down below, call me Mr. Spot On, for the algorithms if you did, to show simple appreciation of this content that I'm putting out for you guys. Trust me, it's not that simple to put out good content on a daily basis. It takes at least a few hours a day. So at least a like and a comment down below. Thanks in advance. So next thing, believe it or not, even Solana, there still is a small chance. I still think it is one of the biggest risks right now, the FTX situation and their bankruptcy proceedings and the selling pressure that could come from all of this. Certainly Tron, very strong. VeChain needs no introduction. Cardano certainly has a big part of my portfolio is actually Cardano. Also eGold certainly. Stellar, XLM, Neo, a very small part of my portfolio. It actually underperformed as to our predictions previously, so that's why I actually reduced the amount I'm holding. Next thing, Pancake Swap, obviously Uniswap. The same thing goes for Sand. The same thing, probably the same size of the holding goes to Mana, so Decentraland. Pretty much the same amount of money goes for OP token. Then we have Pulse, a little bit more. Next one right here, BTT, very small holding of BTT. A bit more in HBAR, a little bit more also in ApeCoin, actually a little bit less than HBAR, but more than BTT. Then a tiny bit in Shiba. I mean, what kind of portfolio goes without Shiba? I mean, no portfolio is complete without some Shiba. I'm just kidding, of course, but just for the sake of it. Also, the same thing goes for Dogecoin. And last but not least, Aptos. And that's pretty much it, guys and girls. And certainly I also have through the NTOs that we got into, that's the CHO token, the coin, the token of choice.com. It's an interesting project and you can check out. There's going to be a link to NTOs down in the description of this video. I'm going to link a video right here that I did, a brand new asset class in the world of crypto that is in between NFTs and regular tokens. So something quite interesting, could have some kind of a potential. Check out the video. And that's pretty much it when it comes to my portfolio. Guys, check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin or really any other cryptocurrency over on Bybit in a smart way with proper risk and money management. Let me know which kinds of coins you're also holding right now that you think have at least a 10x opportunity in the future. Comment those coins down below. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Crowell. Stay smart, stay rich, stay peaceful, and don't worry about smallest market fluctuations. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.